Hey ladies and gems, it's me Gigi and I'm here to drop another gem. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And let's get into this unit. Hairline. And I have it in the color 613. This is the Natalia style. This is very popular. I saw a couple YouTubers do it and they killed it. So I said, honey, I'm finna do it too now. I already took it out the packaging. Girl, my makeup. So I'm just gonna go in and show you guys how I apply my wig real quick. So stay tuned. So I'm going to fast forward this part. The wig does come with 3 clips, an adjustable strap, and an elastic band. And it only has a minimal amount of parting space. So that's just an FYI for you ladies. This unit is in the color 613 as already mentioned. And I paid $38.99 for this unit from samsbeauty.com. But like y'all get into it. Like what? What? This is definitely an affordable slay. Especially with the times that we are in. Yeah, I definitely had to drop this gem for y'all. So I'm trying this new method where as though I'm going to cut off the entire lace and use the Got To Be Free spray to adhere it. And, you know, I'm not going to just be cutting straight across. I'm doing it in a zigzag motion. And then I'm going to go in with some Got To Be Free spray, my blow dryer, and I'm just going to use a rat tail comb and just apply that thing, baby. And I'm going to do it side by side. So I like to start on my right side first, and I'm just going to spray my hairline. The perimeter of my hair was already previously slicked back, okay, and tied down and gel so that my baby hairs have a better chance of surviving after this, okay? And I'm going to use the end of my comb and just go ahead and press it into my baby hairs. Now, I do know that you guys can still see my hairlines because y'all know if y'all already are part of the gym family, you know, the gym class, you know, you would already know that the hairlines is Ashanti. So upon the same motion that you use when you're applying or cutting the lace off the lace front, I like to take my rat tail comb and weave in between my baby hairs and create them in that manner. And then I go ahead with a small pair of scissors and I just cut them. The smaller and the shorter that you cut your baby hairs, the more realistic that they will look. And I'm just going in with some Got To Be Free spray. I'm not using anything on it because I'm only wearing this wig for tonight. Tomorrow, I'll be taking it off. I don't really want to have it, you know, all this adhesive and stuff on my hairline just for a temporary hairstyle. But I wanted to show you guys how I went about and did it. So let me know what you guys think below. So I'm just going ahead and showing you guys how I use my rat tail comb to create my baby hairs. It's really simple, but it may not be simple to you guys. So just make sure you pay attention. You like it. And I did go ahead and apply some of my liquid concealer to my hairline. I didn't show that on camera, but this is what it looks like when I'm done, guys. I didn't put a scarf on it or anything. I'm currently in the car right now. I have the wig on. My makeup is on it a little bit. It is what it is. So my godmother has texted me and she has told me to meet her at this location. I turned 20 great yesterday, 28. So I'm currently on my way to this address. I don't know what I'm getting myself into, y'all. So, but I hope we have fun because I'm ready to turn up. This quarantine is killing me. I'm supposed to be in Jamaica right now, okay? I'm supposed to be somewhere on the island. Okay, you know where you can kiss it. Yeah. I wish I would have had more time on this wig, but it is what it is. Yo, I finally made it here. My city is currently rioting. Shout out to y'all rioting. So it took me 2 hours to get to the airport because we're at a hotel. I don't know if you guys can see. So I don't know what's going on in this hotel. But I know we're at a hotel. And you know what happens when you at a telly with your girls, okay? You drink and you dance and you look cute and you have a good time. What do you have? Open it.
And read it out loud.
Okay. Here is a magic wand for you. Please keep it safe, my daughter. You know I'm watching out for you whether I'm far or away or near. I'll grant you every wish I can. Because I love you. Remember, I'm always by your side. Your fairy godmother. Aw, that's so cute. And I don't have no brushes. What's this? Oh. know I love stuff with gems on it.
Ain't you Gigi the gem?
Period.
Okay, now. She gonna get him a box. She excited. Wait a minute, let me get up in this whole leg. Get up in it. Okay. They not ready. You gotta say, wow. Did it break?
Mother, it did.
Oh, see. Amazon.
Amazon.
All right, now, put that in your bag.
So while my godmother was downstairs showing me all these gifts that she had purchased me, my god sister and my niecey poo was upstairs ready to surprise me.
I just put a bottle in there. Oh, well, good. We're gonna be drunk. Come on. I ain't walked the hills in a long time. Girl. No, I look like I'm a stripper. That's cute. I don't know. All right, well, let me get you in the hole. Come on. Turn.
This way?
Yep. All right, relax. Stay upright. Is it recording? Okay, come on. Keep walking straight. Put your hands down and walk regular. A little bit more. You are so funny.
God, it's nothing here. And I don't have no reference.
Okay. All right, come in. Okay. All right, stay right here a second. Don't take that off.
I'm not.
Wait.
Oh, why am I look? Guys, when I tell you I was so freaking surprised, I'm currently dancing to music. If y'all see me in the back bopping, that's why I had to do a voiceover for this portion, because you know I ain't trying to get in no trouble for no copyright or whatever. But look how beautiful this hotel room is. I was so surprised. I'm so appreciative for my godmother and my god sister and my niecey. They always support me throughout all my endeavors. Like, they just really ride or die. Like, I really could have cried, but I really didn't want to wear my makeup. Like, guys, I'm so excited. Like, I really love it. If you guys are interested in where I purchased my outfit from, it is from Fashion Nova along with the shoes. I will link everything below. But, like, my favorite colors. If you know me, I love me some gold and I love me some pink, baby. We had a whole seafood spread. Like, I love seafood. And if you know me, I don't like cake. But, honey, I love me some banana pudding. Like, what? Period. I felt so good. I was so happy to be, you know, like, cute for my birthday. For real. Throw your arms in the air and enjoy the ride. Rise by lifting others. Life is all about how you handle, plan, be, practice. The art of listening and play with wild abandon. Find the joy in your choices you make. Remember, in the end, good girls always win. Never forget, I will always love you forever. Oh, look, she know I need self-control, y'all. She know I don't have no self-control, Jesus. I be trying. Oh, this is so beautiful. To my daughter, always remember you're braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you are. Loved more than you know. Love, Mom. There's no far too star. There's no star too far. What? I'm stupid. And no dream too grand. So shake the fairy dust and make a wish. The magic is in your hands. Happy birthday with extra sprinkles. Y'all, who you know get a homemade card? I'll wait.
You want to sit down?
Yeah, I want to sit down.
You want to sit down because we got a table.
Y'all.
There we go.
No nigga could never. No nigga has ever. Like, now they know I love them. If you know my story, you will understand why this is so much more than just makeup. Like, should I have a story time for it?
Yeah, we
can have a story time. We're gonna do it tonight. I don't have any makeup, but I got everything. Damn. Oh, thanks. I know what this is. I don't even have to unravel it. I know these is brushes, baby. That's my favorite part. Oh, that's cute. Oh my gosh. I'm thinking this. I have face wipes. I have Black Radiance eyeshadow base. I have lip glitz. What else I got? More brushes, poo. Lip gloss, the butter gloss, of course. You know the vibes. Damn, it's a lot of stuff in here. More brushes. What's this? More brushes. My favorite contour palette and my favorite color. You know
look at them brushes in your hand.
What is this?
That's a real cute lipstick.
Oh my god. Let me make sure.
Pencil to go to it.
I think the pencil right here. This is my favorite. I'm ready. Let me see what this is real quick. Haley quiet.
She's sleepy.
Oh yeah, me look. She holding on. She like, what is it? What you got?
What is it?
What is it? Open it up. Oh y'all. I can't do it. Oh, these are unicorn brushes. Thanks, y'all.
You're welcome.
I'm so happy.
Birthday.
Like, this is so perfect for me.
And I also have a $40 Sephora card.
Oh my god! Alright, I gotta take a listen. People gotta know what I got going on.
Yeah.
So my haters can hate a little harder this weekend.
Period.
Period. Oh, y'all.
Oh, you ready to,
Come here. Come here. Come on. So it's the next morning or whatever. We look a mess. I look a mess. I got on a official two-piece sweatsuit. Peanut butter jelly time. There you go. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Okay. Peanut butter jelly with that baseball bat. No, you're not. Dang, Kelly, you really played me. You played me. Don't say I was talking to you. Come here. Come here now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so excited to have a great night. We had an amazing slumber party. And now I have to check out and go back home. Okay. Shout out to my city for holding the peace rally down. They got a little ratchet. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Peace, love, and Black Lives Matter, baby.